So while there is a lot to say about what War 2 offers to the audiences, and I have watched this film as well today, and while I have things to say as well, for day one, 55 crores on a working day, I think is a pretty good number. अभी कल Independence Day होगा, and then after that will be obviously Janmashtami, and it is also Saturday. And then there is Sunday. So this film gets 4 days weekend. And it's an alright number. Is it the kind of number that perhaps Vairav was expecting? I would not say that. Maybe I wouldn't say that, but I think it's a good thing to stay grounded and to not fall into the tactics जो आज के टाइम पे बहुत सारे producers कर रहे हैं. Block booking, corporate booking, all that stuff. In terms of the film's quality, I actually didn't mind it that much. I thought it was alright. It was a one-time watch film for me. शायद ही मैं इस फिल्म को कभी फिर से देखूंगा, लगता तो नहीं. And honestly, like, hang the FS who hype inside the post, it's fine. So a lot of people are saying that the story is kind of average and that it's a very like long drawn out film. कुछ खास नहीं है फिल्म के अंदर. I mean, to be honest, Tiger 3 इससे ज़्यादा मुझे boring लगी थी, to be honest with you. This was all right. There was nothing too special in it. Especially film जब बीच में चली जाती है ना, after the interval, the film gets very tough to sit through. For me, those were some of the tough moments. And I noticed that at many moments I felt that NTR has been sort of robbed with this film because his character is kind of secondary. But then, no. By the end of the film, things do come around. And there's a little montage at the end. जहाँ पर ऋतिक और NTR साथ में देखने को मिलते हैं. And it's very enjoyable montage. No spoilers. फिल्म की कहानी कुछ स्पेशल नहीं है. It's not a very special film in terms of its story. Script is really mid. I mean, 6 साल थे. अगर 1 साल भी लगाते ये लोग focusing on half of one act in terms of a writer, 6 साल बिठा करके उसको बोलते थे कि तू बेटा लिख फिल्म, then even then I think they could have written a slightly better film than this. But what this is it's trying to appeal to a lot of different kinds of audiences. Telugu audiences को भी appeal करना है, Hindi audiences को भी appeal करना है, and obviously the overseas audiences उनको भी appeal करना है. And then other than that, the Tamil audience अगर आती है कुछ देखने तो ठीक है, नहीं आती है तो it's all right, क्योंकि majorly film Hindi and Telugu audience के लिए बनाई गई. And in that sense, there's not a lot of room in terms of this universe for it to experiment. So it's a very thin line story. I personally believe कि अयान मुखर्जी जो है वो डायरेक्शन के नाम पे तो थे ही नहीं भाई इस फिल्म के अंदर. Like, I don't know where he was in terms of direction with this film. He was, you could say that this film is made by anyone and I would accept it. जो कि सिग्नेचर स्टाइल्स हैं अयान मुखर्जी के, अगर आपने वेकअप सेट और ये जवानी है दीवानी देखी है तो both those films have some sort of resemblance in terms of their style. Even ब्रह्मास्त्र में भी, despite some of the commercialism, एक स्टाइल है अयान मुखर्जी के डायरेक्शन का जो कि यहाँ पे मिसिंग था. ऐसा लग रहा था कि it was heavily supervised by Aditya Chopra, which it probably was, especially because after what has all happened with his last film, I think people were perhaps in the YRF camp, like कि भाई अगर फिल्म देंगे तो बहुत ही सोच समझ के देंगे एंड आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा केयरफुल रहना पड़ेगा फिल्म के अंदर in terms of how we're going to you know what I mean, like position you as a director. मतलब बस ऐसा लग रहा है नाम चिपका दिया डायरेक्टर का एंड और कुछ नहीं है उसके अलावा. So all in all, it's a one-time watch, and I think for NTR and Hrithik fans, I think obviously वो लोग तो जाएंगे ही देखने. They are two big stars, and है drawing power है. You can look at that, 55 crores on a working day estimated. I mean, it should have been a bigger number than this, to be honest, but it is what it is, What are you gonna say? Coolie के numbers से I think almost double है. and that says something. But इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद when I heard कि कूली जो है even that is not getting a lot of good reception, then I was like, man, you know what, I'm actually not gonna watch that film today क्योंकि मैं initially यही सोच रहा था. But then after watching one film, I was so tired. I was like, I'm gonna watch that film tomorrow. So yeah, this was my sort of review of War 2. I honestly don't have much to say other than this. It's a one-time watch action film from YRF.